Audio connectors and video connectors are electrical connectors or optical connectors for carrying audio signal and video signal of either analog or digital format. Analog audio-video connectors often use shielded cables to inhibit radio frequency interference and noise. There are many different connectors and wiring practices used in the audio and video world today. The existence of many different audio and video standards necessitates the definition of hardware interfaces, which define the physical characteristics of the connections between electrical equipment. This includes the types and numbers of wires required along with the strength and frequency of the signal. It also includes the physical design of the plugs and sockets. The most common connectors include XLR, which is a plug and socket used in professional audio equipment, lighting controls, and other applications. It uses a balanced connection and locks into the socket. 3-pin XLR connectors are by far the most commonly used and are an industry standard for balanced audio signals. The great majority of professional microphones use the XLR connector. The figure shows XLR 3 cable connectors, female on left and male on right. RCA phono. The RCA type is the regular consumer type used for unbalanced audio. RCA is a lightweight, small coaxial connector with a center pole that sticks out a little further than the shield ring and is quite small. The figure shows RCA plugs and socket for composite video, yellow, and stereo audio, white and red, for hooking up video equipment. A 1/4-inch TRLS phone, where T stands for tip, R stands for ring, and S stands for sleeve, is the stereo version of a 1/4-inch phono plug and is used to carry, depending on application, stereo, headphone signals, or balanced line level signals in equipment interconnections. The common 1/4-inch stereo phone plug was originally designed by the Bell Telephone Company around 1880 for use on telephone switchboards. That is why it is called a phone plug. The 3.5mm connector is a miniature version of a phono connector. 3.5mm stereo phone 3.5mm stereo plug is commonly used in portable CD players, small radios, and PC sound cards to carry stereo headphone signals or line level audio signals. In PC sound cards, this connector is also used for mono electret microphone connections, where the connector carries a microphone signal and microphone bias voltage. The 2.5mm connector is a very tiny version of a phono plug. It is used in some applications to connect microphones to wireless transmitters of video cameras. The figure shows phone connectors. From left to right, 2.5mm mono, 3.5mm mono, 3.5mm stereo, and 6.35mm. BNC connector. This is the most commonly used connector in video wiring. BNC connectors, which in full is Bayonet Nail Concealment or sometimes British Naval Connector, have a bayonet lock interface, which is suitable for users where numerous quick connect, disconnect insertions are required. BNC connectors are, for example, used in various laboratory instruments and radio equipment. The figure shows BNC connectors. From left to right, the 75 ohm female, 75 ohm male, 50 ohm female, and the 50 ohm male. The F connector is used for TV antenna connections. F connectors were primarily designed for very low cost, high volume 75 ohm applications such as television and cable TV. In this connector, the center wire of the coax becomes the center conductor. The figure shows an F connector attached to a black coaxial cable. The USB cable. commonly known as a universal serial bus, is a plug-and-play interface between a computer and its respective peripherals such as MP3 audio players, digital cameras, joystick, keyboards, and printers, which lets you plug in a device without adding an adapter card or even restarting your PC. Most computers and many peripheral devices are equipped with some form of USB. USB speed makes it ideal for music and digital still transfer. The figure shows side connectors on a laptop computer. From left to right, we have a USB 3 host, a VGA connector, a DisplayPort connector, and a USB 2 host. Note the additional pins on the top side of the USB port as shown in the figure on the left. The figure on the right shows front view of a standard USB 3 connector, showing its front row of 4 pins for the USB, 1-2 backward compatibility, and the second row 5 pins for the new USB 3 connectivity. The IEEE 1394 Firewire connector, developed in late 1980s and early 1990s by Apple as Firewire, is a serial bus interface standard for high-speed communications and isochronous real-time data transfer. The figure shows a 9-pin Firewire 800 connector at the top, and below it is a 4-conductor and 6-conductor Firewire 400 alpha connectors. Serial ATA or Serial Advanced Technology Attachment is a computer bus interface for connecting host bus adapters to mass-rate devices such as hard disk drives and optical drives. The figure shows a SATA power cable with 15-pin connector. The Video Graphics Array connector is a 3-row 15-pin DE connector. DE stands for D sub miniature or D sub, named for their characteristic D-shaped metal shield. The figure shows a male VGA connector on cable and a female DE15 output in a laptop computer. The 15-pin VGA connector is found on many video cards, computer monitors, and high-definition television sets. On laptop computers or other small devices, a mini VGA port is sometimes used in place of the full-sized VGA connector. The Digital Visual Interface, commonly referred to as DVI, is a digital display interface. It connects a video source to a display device, such as a computer monitor. The figure shows a male and female DVI cable used for hooking up computer monitors or other video equipment. The High-Definition Multimedia Interface, commonly called HDMI, is a compact audio or video interface for transferring encrypted uncompressed digital audio or video data from an HDMI-compliant device, referred to as the source or input, to a compatible digital audio device, computer monitor, video projector, and digital television. The figure shows a standard HDMI connector for hooking up audio-visual equipment. MIDI, short for Musical Instrument Digital Interface, is an electronic musical instrument industry specification that enables a wide variety of digital musical instruments, computers, and other related devices to connect and communicate seamlessly with one another. The figure shows MIDI connectors and a MIDI cable.